Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about Ibotta. So this is a very legit app. It works well. I've been paid $20 like few months ago, and I'm about to cash out again. That's to tell you, this is my second time that I'm going to be cashing out. But today I'm here to review Ibotta and telling you the things you can do and how to earn more money. So like now, there are different kinds of stores. I don't really know the type of stores you really buy from, where you purchase your stuff, but you can buy online in this app. You get your money. You can also buy outside, and you bring your receipt and you clip it and you get your money. You go to the find offers. If it was groceries, you go for your groceries. You look for your store. Like now, let's go for Walmart. You look for your store, and wait, it's loading. Well, you look for your you look for your store. You go for the things you clipped for. Like sorry, the things you purchased on in Walmart. You look for them, and for now, let's say you bought some ketchup, right? It has already been clicked because I really bought ketchup one day and it's still clipped. So whatever. So you click on the things you purchased, anything. You click on it, and when you're done, you go for redeem. Wait, it's loading. You go for redeem and continue. It's either you go for the barcode or the scanning side. You scan your receipt, you do all the good stuff. You look for another store, and just any store you have that you bought anything and they gave you receipt. You even 7-Eleven, they have 7-Eleven. If you can't find your store, you can like search it up in this searching section right here, this side. You can search it up and just do your stuff like 7-Eleven. You can search it up and you find 7-Eleven, and boom, you just do the same thing and you scan your receipts, and yeah, that is just it. That is just so easy it is. But sometimes there are stuff you look for and you can't find it, right? You can't find it. For example, like me, I went to Farm Fresh today. Let me show you the notification they gave me. I went to Farm Fresh today. I bought milk and I didn't see the kind of milk I bought. So this any brand, if you see any of this, any brand, you can go for it and they pay you your money. If you see anything that says any brand in the offer side, like I did a lot of any brand, like if you see anything that is like any brand, right, you can go for it and you can also get money from it, even though you didn't buy it at Walmart or anywhere. Even though you didn't buy the thing, you can also click on it and they give you your 25 cents. I'm not saying that, I'm not just saying that for saying sake, but it's really true. It works. So that's all I can say for this side. So let's go to my account to tell you for you guys to see how much I've made since my lifetime. So my lifetime earning has been $38.95, right? And I'm about to the money I already have now is $19.45, and I'm about to cash it out because it's $20 you have to have in order to withdraw. So my earnings, I've been earning since November, that's the 38th, till July. These are all the things I've earned. And this friend of mine that linked me, like I used her link, her referral code, and I've also made money from it. Like look, my teamwork. Like now, if we work harder and redeem like one of 7 offers, we both will get $8 the same time. And look, they say we've already my team has earned 4.50 cent, $4.50. Like she has earned 4.50 cents. Because if we work together, make more money, then that's it. And look, look at how she's growing so good. Like she has grown. Like I don't even know when she started, but I don't know. She has grown so good. But you know, if you use my referral code, because I'm actually using this app, right? I'm using this app. Anytime I get receipt, I cash it out. I clip it and get my money as well. I really use this code. We can also chat if you use my referral code in order to get more money. Like we can also chat, like I already sent her an emoji. We can already chat, do stuff, have fun, make money with this app. So my code is UNWKFQI. It will be in the description box below too. If you don't even understand what I'm saying or you're still confused, you can go to the help section. Simple. Help section will help you a lot. You can chat. I don't know whether you can chat with them, but I think you can chat with them, but I don't even know. This is just so easy to understand. It is just self-explanatory. Like it's just so easy to understand. You can, but if you don't understand it, you can go here and get your, and I'm sorry, and understand it. But I'll soon be done with all this, and I'll soon cash out with PayPal. I'll soon cash out with PayPal. And yeah, I think that's all for this. Okay, these are my offers. Like these are the places, like these are the main shopping things, the main the main stores I go to. So they are the main ones I use. You can find what interests you. You can shop online. True, you can shop online. You can do different stuff like eBay now. I don't want to go to eBay, but yeah, you can shop online. You can do different stuff. Just look around it, check this app well, and see what fits you. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. Use my referral code down below, my link down below. And yeah, thank you.